Hi, welcome to 247 Tech. In this video we're going to do a quick review and unboxing of this Fitbit Versa 2, which I just bought from Amazon for my wife. And if we touch here, you see the larger view of the on the steps, and you can see times that the person have been awake. So it shows the date, and also let's get started with this. I bought it from Amazon Canada for $250 Canadian, and it is sold on Amazon.com for $200. Let's open it. Easy to open seal. This is the watch. Beautiful, sleek design. We got this 3 items, the band, let's see what we have here. We have extra band, and what is this? Wow, okay, this is a charger. Let's open it. Nice. So you will put the watch here and charge it this way. So this piece, this is extra band for this side to change the size in case if you want larger one. And underneath it there is a product information. Let's remove the sticker and see. And let's press it and see what it does. Press and hold. I got this and beep. So it's in Chinese, Japanese. It says download the app. So immediately you need to download the app before doing anything. Let's download the app first. I just type Fitbit and install. Continue. Skip. And let's open it. So either we have to log in if we have an account, which we don't, or maybe join. So it says select that watch that we have. We have Versa 2. setup Versa 2. So here we have to, let's create a login. So I logged in with the email and the password. Let me type name. After I ask about the location and then enter a code, I enter the code and it says connecting. Now this shows that it has been connected. Now next. Searching for networks. Let's select the network, the Wi-Fi. 247 Tech. And it shows connecting. Again, it shows connected. Next, it says setup Versa 2 and then start update. So now it's downloading, setting up Versa and downloading. So here is the thing that they have mentioned. You can do Amazon Alexa on your wrist, activity tracking, always on, pay from your wrist, heart rate and exercise, sleep tracking, and score. Amazing. Because it takes long. Let's see, what does it say? For the pay, we can do the payment. Still this bar graph goes up. Tap and pay. Look for the symbol everywhere. You can do payment with this. Always on. You can keep it always on if you want. You can do Amazon Alexa, turn on and off the lights, stay up to date and other stuff. Activity tracking, so it can track steps, distance, active minutes, calorie. Let's see for the heart rate, 24/7, check your heart rate, real time, pace and distance. So this is for heart rate zone, real time, pace and distance, auto exercise. And then let's see for the sleep tracking, sleep stage, sleep score, sleep mode and silence alarm. So a new bar graph has started here. Until this is 100%. After using this watch for a week, now let's have a look at this. This is, for example, for today, 13,637 steps, calorie, date and day. As you can see, today is Thursday 26th. Now let's open the app. So the goal was set to be 10,000, now it shows 13,000. And here, if you touch on the steps, it shows the graph of your step for each days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the longer one. This is the 10,000, the goal, and then it goes up. And here, the days that you met your goals, you will see a star here. Today, for example, for Wednesday, it was 5,000 steps, so no star, and the rest You can see that they're exceeding the step counts. And if we touch here, you see the larger view of the step, all the steps, and you can see for a month, because we have just started at this day, and you can go for 3 months, all year, and you see the graph of it. This is amazing. Total steps since the watch was purchased, 87,194 steps. This is very helpful because every time you look at it, you know if you have done enough or not. So you get ready for exercise, and this will remind you. And it shows the distance, 9.29 kilometers. Amount of calorie. Here is the sleep. And this is how it shows the sleep for different dates. These are the sleeping score that it shows. For example, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, each day. 100 means the best, and it goes up and down. So, for example, for today it shows 5 hours, 41 minutes. And here, when you touch, it shows the score. 66, 100 is full. So what it means is the number of times that the person have been awake. And here this shows light, and then awake, and then deep. Every time it's awake, every time the person is awake, it shows red. For the sleep, heart rate, if you touch here, it gives you the record of your heart rate. And here for today, it goes up and down. It shows details, Wednesday, Thursday, all days. And it has been used in swimming. I can touch here on the account. This is the name, and here is the watch. You can add other devices. When you touch here, you will see a lot of options. So Amazon Alexa, if you want to control app, how to use, wallet, media, accessory. Let's clock face. Let's see what we can have and what we cannot. So this is the face at the moment. So this is the one that I have. And clock faces, all clocks. So these are the clock faces by Fitbit, and also picked by others. So these are the faces that other people have designed. Let's click view all so we can see it larger, in case if you want to display like that, like this, or maybe a dial. Wow. So this is, we can select run in the background, install, so we can install it. Let's see. Now it's rebooting. We're running almost out of battery. Nice. So now this is the new face. So it shows the date, and also there the rest has not changed. To bring back your original watch face, click on faces and all clocks, and then scroll down here by Fitbit. Let's touch here, and this was the original one. Let's do it. Now it shows switching. When this is done, your watch will return back to normal. That's it. Thank you for watching. This was the quick unboxing and setup of this Fitbit Versa 2 watch. If you learned something and found this useful, please thumb up, as this will help my video in the search algorithm of YouTube. If you have comment or question, post it at the comment section below. I try to